Hi and welcome to Boozy HQ. I'm Amy and me and a few of my colleagues are going to show you some kitchen essentials at Boozy. So, we have a lovely fruit basket here. We've got an assortment of fruit. We've got some apples. We've got some bananas. We've got some lemons, which are useful in tea. And we've also got some clementines, which, for the healthy ones in the office, quite useful. But I'm going to have to say my favourites are the mini Oreos when you need a sweet snack. And talking of sweet snacks, I think I'm going to have myself these Oreos with a cup of tea. So, first and foremost, you need a mug. You also need a tea bag. Here we go. And you need some hot water from the kettle. In it goes. Oh, making a mess. And like me and many of my other Brits, we do like our tea with milk and sugar. So I'm going to pop that in a little bit later. But first of all, let me show you the cutlery drawer. Here, we've got a fork. Comes in handy when you're eating your lunch. We've also got a spoon. Comes in handy when you're eating your breakfast. And usually on a Friday night at Boozy, we do like a drink. So the corkscrew that comes with a bottle opener comes in handy. We also have scissors. You never know when you might need those. And finally, my personal favourite, the can opener, which for me, I do love beans on toast, so that always helps me out.
Moving on to the absolute kitchen essentials. So here we have a giant cookie jar, obviously containing chocolate digestives and double chocolate cookies. Here we have a selection of nuts, so perfect for snacking, cashew nuts and almond nuts. Moving on to my absolute true love, peanut butter. We also have Nutella, and last but not least, we have Marmite. This is a very typical British spread. However, you either love it or you hate it, and I personally cannot stand it.
Well, I love it. Anyway, let's move on. So, here are our two fridges. We need two because we eat lots of food. We're a big office. I'm going to leave the Marmite there. Follow me over here. We've got yet more fruit. We do like our fruit. And our shopping list. This is our chalkboard where we write all of the important things that we need for the week. So, very important things on the shopping list at the moment. Our picnic blankets. In the summer, we like to go for picnics sometimes. So those are really nice. Those are really handy. Our knife block. We even have a herb chopper for the more gourmet people in the office. Kitchen towels. The toaster for when you want to make Marmite on toast.
Or peanut butter on toast.
Or peanut butter on toast. Porridge. The microwave. And a ping pong set. Probably the most important thing in this kitchen, actually. And finally, we have our bread basket. So in here, we've got different types of bread, bagels, and also these. Now, these are crumpets. They're actually very typical in the UK as well. They look a bit strange, but they're actually kind of delicious. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our kitchen vocabulary at Boozy HQ. Look out for more live streams coming soon. Thanks.